Guys, we're out here at Leadfoot, and we just did one run against our buddy Matt, and he killed us. We did an 8.9, he ran an 8.8, 82 to 77 mile an hour. I don't know how much better we could have got on this thing. All the junkyard motors, I don't know. This might be it for this thing. We're gonna see. We're gonna run it some more tonight, and I'll bring you guys along. I didn't video the first run, but we'll see how we do on the next one, and I'll bring you guys along. All right, guys, we're all set. Stopped a Mustang, man. That should have never happened. In a million years, that should have not happened. I don't know what the deal with him is, but he's got some issues back there. Alright, guys, we'll bring you back when we look at this time slip. Alright, guys, same thing on that one. We ran 8.9. So we're gonna run it again. We're ran 8.9 on that one. You guys can see and can't see. We're going to zoom you out a little bit. All right, we're gonna push this whole thing up now. There we go. You're crooked, but hey, you're there. No third on that one, guys. I don't know what happened. We got no third gear. Let's see if okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, thanks, bud. Okay. We got a 9.2 on that one with no third gear. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do here. We're gonna run it again. I think we're gonna race. We're gonna run Matt again. See if we got 3 gears this time. I'm gonna have to get him on the tree. We've got to get him on the tree because he's gonna get us. Back in line, we're going to do it again. I think we can get him, maybe. I think we're running Matt again, which I hope we are. Maybe. Maybe. Here we go, guys. Good run. His nitrous worked on that pass. Okay guys, here we go. There you have it. Here's the Mustang. I'll talk to you later, buddy. That's it, guys. Here we go, guys. got him.
You got him.
I did. Oh, holy shit. How about that? Alright guys, it's the next day after we went drag racing last night. There's our car, there's our vitals. We got good vitals. And now I'm gonna show you guys this tranny. So I thought it may have been a TV cable or some kind of adjustment or something, but it's not. So we're gonna see. Car's cold now. After racing last night, we went out to dinner, and it seemed a little bit funny shifting on the way to dinner. This second, this third is working today. So I didn't have third last night coming home. I don't know if it's because it's cold. Do we have third? But I didn't have third last night. So did we hurt it or is it not hurt? I don't know. This second. This third. I don't know. It's shifting today. Wasn't doing this last night, or is it because it's cold? Maybe that's why. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to drive this around a little bit. We're going to see what we come up with. I'll bring you guys back. Oh, we got no third, guys. We got a semi-neutral here. Well, we got it that time, but it's slipping pretty good. Let's see if we can do that again. And I've been driving for a little while. It's got some heat in it. We did some polls on it. Everything seemed fine, and now it doesn't. So we're gonna see if we can make that do it again. We'll bring it back if we can. I'm gonna do another takeoff here in a second. Okay, guys, here we go. We're gonna see if it's self-fixing or what. This second. Seems if you let off, it goes in. Let's do another one. We'll see what we get. Step on a little bit harder this time. I don't know. Doesn't sound good. I think the warmer it gets, the worse it gets. Seems to be the way. I'll bring you guys back in a second. We're going to do another pull. There it is. We got no third. We got second. Slow and see what it does. There's second. Should have went into third by now. No third. No third. That's 3,500 RPM. No third. There's $4,000. 4,500. No third. Yeah, she don't like third.